Greetings. What if I told you I only used 3 images to create this AI fight scene? That's right, only 3 images. Let me show you how. In the first step, I used ChatGPT to create the images of my 2 characters. A key point here is to specify the aspect ratio of your images. In my case, it is 16:9. Also, create a third image of 2 generic models of your characters fighting. This will help in referencing a fighting posture when creating your third image in Google's Nano banana model. Save your 3 images. Next, we will go to Google AI Studio and select the Nano banana model. This is currently the best free AI image editing tool. Upload your 3 images. We will then create a scene where they are fighting with lightsabers using the model's image as a reference. The result produced was good and what we were looking for. Save this image. We will then turn our images to videos using Kling AI Master Tool. Keep in mind, the prompt to create all these scenes are above the videos. Also, I slowed down and sped up certain scenes in my video editor to create an intense effect. In the first scene, the lady has her lightsaber in the air and it is generating electrical energy. This scene was created using this image. I then reversed the video using Premiere Pro. This reversal ends up connecting to the original image. To extend the same scene, I used the same image so it can smoothly transition to her intense stare at her opponent. The next scene is her opponent. I also made him look intensely at her. To improve consistency of the scene, I flipped this video so it looked like he was looking at her. The next scene is the lady again using the same image, but now she is running towards her opponent. I did the same for her opponent. Keep in mind, I flipped the video in Premiere Pro to create a more consistent theme. I then used the final image to generate the actual fight. I flipped this video as well to be consistent with the directions he was running. I also reversed this video because I wanted it to end with the original image. Lastly, using the same image, I created a video that has the camera zooming towards them when they are in an intense stalemate. Reversing the videos is a very effective strategy to connect 2 scenes while using the same image. Hopefully this tutorial was beneficial to you. May the prompt be with you.